Engine knock might sound like a small ticking noise, but inside an engine, fuel and air ignite in a smooth, controlled burn. Engine knock happens when the fuel explodes too early. Pressure waves are visible inside the cylinder. This creates violent pressure that hits the piston and cylinder walls. You hear this as a knocking or pinging sound from the engine. Low-quality fuel is one of the most common causes. High engine temperatures can also trigger knock. If knock continues, it can damage pistons, valves, and even the engine block. That's why modern cars use sensors and computers to detect knock and adjust the engine instantly.